Hi, my name's Cecilia, and this is Max. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for the little kids. We love Legos and we hope you do too. We hope you enjoy. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you Today, we're going to do Police Dog Unit. The number is 60241. We chose this because Max likes police cars, and I think it looked pretty cool. And this has 67 pieces, and it's Lego City, and it's 4+. And remember to watch until the end to see our positives and negatives. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So now we're going to open it. Wait. Open it. Oh, I got it. Well, no. Alright. So here we have one bag. We have like the base of the car. We have another small bag. We have the instructions, and that's it. So now we're going to open it and we're going to build it. Roller.
It's a dog.
Alright. So now we're going to sort them. Alright. So now we have it all sorted out, and we're going to build it. Max is building the figures. Or he already put them. I'll start the car with this piece. We need the tires. We're gonna make the tires first. Usually that's last.
Oh, I'm going to put the tires.
Here. I'll just put these on.
That's good enough.
So now we have the base of the car, and we're going to take this piece, this gray piece.
Where is that?
No, here.
Oh, here.
Here's a look at the instructions.
Guys.
This yellow piece and this black piece to make kind of like a bumblebee.
Bye somewhere else. That guy right here.
And then we put it at the other side. So now it's like that. Alright, now the seat and the wheel. This is actually not going to take long, I think, for it to build the car.
Yeah. I'm going to be
Alright, you put the seat in front of the gray piece. And you put that in front of the bumblebee color. So now we're going to get to colors, I think. So you take two of these blue long pieces and the red part.
Two of them.
You put this one
two of them
behind the seat.
Two of them.
Yeah. And you put these ones at the sides. And now it looks like a Spider-Man vehicle. Kinda. Alright, so now we have this. It says police on it. And you put it here. So that's the hoodie of the car. Alright, now I take these stripy pieces and you put them right here. So that's kind of like, I think that's where the robber would go. And then these two smooth blue pieces on top of those. Alright, so now we put this here and the headlights here. This is getting more like a police car than a spiderish van vehicle. Alright, so now you put it like that, and you take these two crystal blue pieces and put it on top of the yellow part. So I think those were supposed to be the headlights, kind of, but they don't really have red and blue. Now you take these small pieces and put them at the back. Alright, so now we can take those red crystals, or it looks like crystals at least. They're headlights. And you put them beside those. So we put this here and you put that there. Alright. Alright, now you can put the figures in. Like the dog and the policeman.
And the bad
The dog can go at the back.
No.
Somehow.
No. A bad guy.
Oh, so you put it up so then that the dog doesn't escape. And then you put the dog in. And you put the policeman there. And now we're going to make the little gem store. Alright, let's set this aside. And you take this. And you take 3 of these. It's like, and you put them.
No, I'm done. Get out.
Here.
I'm not done.
He's playing them. Put this tan thing here. And this brown piece next to it on top. And then we put like these gold pieces. Wow, where did the second one go? Oh, good job.
I'm going to get it.
You put those on top of the brown piece. And then you can put the gems
I got it.
inside. Right. There are actually a lot of gems.
Not gems.
There are 4 gems in total, but you can only fit 2. I'm just going to choose the one blue, one white. And you put it in. And then you put his black piece on the other side. And you put another tan piece at the other side. And so now we're left with this. And then we put these like red pieces, and then you put them on the sides. Now we can make the window. So you take this, and you take this. That'll be the glass, and then you just press it in.
How about that first?
Somehow you press it in. Ah, there. Okay, like that, and then you take. So this can open, or it's supposed to. Oh, I see. Is it different? Oh. Alright, so it can open. And then you have this, and you put it, you put this here, and then you put it in the middle, and then you put this here. So I think that's where the sign's supposed to go. Or a clock, but there wasn't a clock pieces. And then you put the sign there. So now you have this, and then you put it here. And so now we have everything. So some of the pieces were not used. Yeah, some of the pieces were not used, but so there it is. And you should have some extra pieces. There are 2 handcuffs, so I think one of the handcuffs are extra. And then we have the little. Yeah, it's just gonna be hard to put the handcuffs on. Handcuffs are hard to put on Lego people, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's on. So you should have like this. Like it looks like a vent, and then 2 extra gems, but you can do something with that. And so now you can play. And Max is going to play. So I'm going to tell you the positives and negatives. The first positive is it's very diverse, and I like that. And the second one is that it has many pieces. It has 2 figures and a dog, and it has this, I don't know how it's called, it's red, and it has gems and a bag. And the third of all is it is very easy to build. And let's move on to the negatives. The first negative is that it's like the store. It's like very small. It's like a stand, and there's no figure with it. Second of all, like the car, like the police car, the back, it's like you can, like the robber could jump right out of it, but I think it might be for the dog. But and third of all, it's not for older kids. Like it's very not big, and like if you're used to like those big pieces like with very lots of things, then it's not like that. So yeah. So the question is, would I buy it again? Yes, I would. For small kids though. It's very great for small kids, but if you're big, then it's too simple for you. Don't buy it. So remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos. And also remember to see our next video next week.